Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making Hasselback potato, 风琴马铃薯. Hasselback potatoes are a type of baked potato. They can be served as a main course or as a side dish. The texture outside is crunchy as potato chips, and inside is soft as mashed potato. It is a very interesting way to eat a potato, and it's really easy to make and delicious. Let's get started! Here is everything we need. First step, I'm going to wash the potato. Okay. Use a scrub to brush the potatoes. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you how to cut the potato. You need 2 chopsticks to hold the potato. Also, the chopstick is prevent you to cut through the potato. Okay? Alright, this is not okay. So just the first two is smaller size. You need to be careful with the front and the back side. First one is done. See, it's like a Hasselback. It's like a Hasselback instrument. After you're done with the potato, melt the butter in microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 minutes microwave, the butter is melted. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of herb mixture. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mixing well. Okay, use a brush. Evenly brush potato each slice gap. After evenly spread the herb butter, put it on the tray and send them to the oven. Okay, 400 Fahrenheit, bake 20 minutes. Okay. Alright, after 20 minutes, take the potato out and brush again the herb salty butter on each slice. And sprinkle the onion salt on top. Okay, send them to the oven. Alright, 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, take out the potato and it's ready to serve. Okay, you can sprinkle some onion salt or garnish with chopped green onion, chive, or bacon crumbs. Alright, thank you for watching. This is a very interesting way to eat a potato and it's very delicious. Make sure to try this recipe at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.